Welcome to this tutorial on building a mixture of agents with N8N for beginners. N8N is a workflow automation tool that allows you to create custom workflows by connecting different nodes or agents. To start, you need to have N8N installed on your system. Once installed, open the N8N workflow editor and create a new workflow. A workflow in N8N is a series of connected nodes that perform a specific task. The first step is to add a trigger node that starts the workflow. This can be a timer, a webhook, or any other node that can trigger the workflow. For example, you can use the cron node to trigger the workflow at a specific time every day. Next, you need to add an agent node. An agent in N8N is a node that performs a specific task, such as sending an email, making an API call, or executing a script. For example, you can use the HTTP request node to make a GET request to an API endpoint. You can also add multiple agents to your workflow to perform different tasks. For example, you can use the if node to check a condition and then use the HTTP request node to make a request to an API endpoint if the condition is true. To connect multiple agents, you need to use the output of one node as the input to another node. This is done by connecting the nodes using the workflow editor. You can connect nodes by dragging and dropping the output of one node to the input of another node. Best practices for building a mixture of agents with N8N include keeping your workflows organized by using clear and descriptive names for your nodes and workflows, testing your workflows regularly to ensure they are working as expected, and using error handling nodes to handle any errors that may occur during the execution of your workflows. In conclusion, building a mixture of agents with N8N is a powerful way to automate complex workflows by connecting different nodes or agents. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can create custom workflows that perform specific tasks and automate your work processes. Key concepts to remember include triggers, agents, and workflow organization. With practice and experience, you can create complex workflows that automate your work processes and improve your productivity. By mastering N8N, you can automate tasks, improve efficiency, and focus on high-level tasks. Start building your workflows today and see the benefits of automation for yourself.